Good morning everyone, it's Marissa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to attempt to do Vlogmas. I know I missed December 2nd, so not off to a good start. But today I just thought I would take you guys around my day, and then I was going to show some clips of yesterday when I went snowboarding and went up north to the snow. But today I have a lot of things to do, actually. So I lost my license, so that's good. So I lost my license, so I need to go to the DMV and get that. I'm probably gonna have to wait for like 2 hours, but that's fine. I have to go to the gym. I'm about to just go sign up again and get a membership, because I had ended it when I went to college, which was so stupid. I don't know why I did that. I'm eating a chocolate gelt, Hanukkah gelt. Happy Hanukkah to whoever out there celebrates Hanukkah. I celebrate Hanukkah, so happy Hanukkah. So this is what I'm wearing today. I'm wearing this big coat, which I freaking love. It's like a Teddy Pixie coat from Forever 21 and it's camo. I'm wearing this just like ribbed long sleeve from Misguided, along with my little Gucci bag, and then I'm wearing Lululemon Aligns and my Nike Air Force Ones. So this is what I'm wearing. It's kind of cold out, and I love this jacket. So pull me closer. Step in the car, about to get my new license. I really don't know where the my license went, honestly. I really don't know. Last time I saw it, I was doing the bird scooters, and that was it. I hate my life. Hey guys, so I got back from the DMV. All I have to say is, why are all DMV workers such bitches? I don't understand. Why are they so rude? If you don't like your job, quit. So rude. I just wanted my freaking ID, and she's like going off on me. Rude.
Pay back the $22.48 and keep the other item?
Yeah, but I didn't receive like the $59 one and then the bag. All I have to say is Amazon people are so stupid. So dumb. I don't understand. But anyways, I wanted to come on here real quick and show you guys. I got one of my boxes in for white Malibu. So I wanted to show you guys. Look, it's one of the sweatshirts. This one's a black one. Look at that. I'm actually gonna go to the fabric store real quick and get some white fabric so we can hang it up and then take photos of the garments, because the photos we took didn't really turn out very well and I'm not a fan. So that's probably what I'm gonna do in a little bit. First, I'm gonna do some files that I have in that box right there for work. And yeah, people are so dumb. I didn't receive 2 items, like probably the most expensive items, and it didn't say I was getting refunded, so I was like, okay, well, this is stupid, I didn't get them. But then it says I got refunded for an item that I did receive, and like, okay, so going up to Flagstaff, so that's North Arizona, where it is snowing currently. That's why I have my big like Teddy camo jacket on, and me and my boyfriend are gonna go snowboarding and do some fun things. So we're heading up there today, and I'm probably gonna film on my phone because my little like Gucci bag does not fit my camera. I mean, it does, but it will take up all the space. But I'm gonna go show you my outfit right now, because we're gonna be like hanging around the town, and my room's a freaking mess. So what I'm wearing is just my white Malibu sweatshirt, this big teddy jacket from Forever 21, and it's like camo. I think it's so cute. I'm wearing my Gucci bag that I just got for Christmas, and then some Levi's, and then some black boots from H&M that I literally always wear, and I just think it's so cute. So I'm really excited. I haven't seen snow in literally a year. Yeah, literally a whole year, because my last snow video was Mammoth, and I vlogged that, and I'll leave that link down below. That was last November, so a year ago, we all went to Mammoth, me and my boyfriend and all of his friends for his birthday, and Mammoth's in California, and we snowboarded. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and oh my god, it's snowing so hard. Can you see that? Yeah, it's snowing so bad. It's freezing. It's 28 degrees outside. We're about to go snowboarding. I'm like bundled up.